Hi guys, this is Shelby's Adventure coming to you with the Mowrator, and I'm going to be demonstrating some hills around here. I'm going to be setting my phone down over here so it doesn't get hurt. So here we go. We're going to be doing this hill right here. I did over there. So you have to remember, hit both of those to start the blade up. You can go right on up the hill. Right on up the hill, where I needed to go, which is great. Now, right on up the hill. Right on up the hill. Right on up without any problems. Now it doesn't go quite as good as, say, the four-wheel drive model, but it's great for what I need it for. Yeah, it does do some tracks in my yard, but I'm not too concerned on this hill. There we go, we get this little area right in here. As you can see, it does a pretty good job. What I like is you can go in between areas, like in between the blueberry bushes here. The sensors off, if you want to know. So it that helps with running into things. Wouldn't suggest running into things, but and we're going in between the best moves little house without a problem. Now I don't want to get too close over there because we got wires, and I don't want to run over my wires. We're going to go over here and do a little bit of work over here. As you can see, it really does a good job on doing some of this stuff that you really don't want. This is usually where we don't take anything out. As you can see, it has no problem getting in to certain areas. to show you the capabilities of this machine. And it really stuck. Like I said, a two-wheel drive isn't as good as the four-wheel drive, for sure, for some capabilities, but I just wanted to prove to you guys that it really does work pretty good. On some of this off-roading areas. And it's rather easy to use. As you can see, it really comes in handy on getting off-roading areas done. That is going to conclude this review. That will conclude this review of hill testing. I'm quite pleased with this machine. There will be a link in the description. And I do have a 5% discount code. So please use that when you're interested in purchasing this machine. Like I said, it really does a good job. All-wheel drive would be definitely better, but for what this is, it is good. I'm pretty pleased with it. It has a 21-inch deck, so it's almost like a regular lawnmower, and I'm quite pleased with it. More reviews will come on my channel in the days and weeks to come on this. And the Bestmo robotic lawnmower is doing a phenomenal job. Quite pleased with that too. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This would be greatly appreciated and a help for my growth. All right, see you guys next time.